Alright, back at it with the MR2, and in this vid I'm just doing a bunch of basic maintenance to start doing all the rest of modding. All I really did was do an oil change, air filter, what else? I installed a Fumoto oil drain valve. Those are super handy for oil changes. I put them on all my cars. You'll see it coming up here soon. And there were also some of the pinch welds for the where the jack stands go. I think it was the rear passenger side that needed to be realigned, so I fixed some of that up. Later here you'll see it. I took some vice grips to it to bend it back in place, and then I grinded away some of the old rust there and refinished it with some light primer. But yeah, here's the Fumoto drain valve. It's super nifty. It's just a quick press, quick release lever system? I don't know. But basically it's a valve, put it on in place of your oil drain bolt, and just flip the lever when you need to change your oil and it drains for you. So it's super easy, convenient. I think here I'm using 10W40 full synthetic oil, 5SFE engine, and I think it takes 4.5 liters of oil, if I'm right. Or is it quarts? 4.5 quarts of oil with the filter on. So I think I filled about 4.3, 4.2. And I put on a K&N filter with the bolt on, so it's easy to take off with just a ratchet next time around. Yeah, as you can see here, it's pretty sick, the oil drain valve. So you can see the oil was leaking through there. Then yeah, just flip the switch and it's all good to go, then you can refill. And yeah, here I am going at it with the pinch welds, trying to line these things back up. I noticed a lot on these old cars. For some reason, I don't know how the fucking previous owners fucked that shit up, but pinch welds just got fucked up. So here I am. I bent it back in place. It's kind of hard to see, but I went over it with some primer. I didn't have any black paint. I plan on going over it again, but right now it's pretty much good to go. And then here I'm just placing on a new engine air filter. The old one actually didn't look too bad, but I didn't know what the last owner did in terms of maintenance, so I'm just replacing everything. Next I need to do the transmission fluid, but that's pretty much it. This was just some basic maintenance. And in the next video, I have the suspension restoration getting started. So control arms are going out, being restored, poly bushings, and coilovers are going in. So that'll be coming very soon.